And some more stuff. Got main bearings, main bearings, main bearings. These are all new or awful nice. This looks to be a complete set of new original, new old stock Johnson lifters with the stupid little tool, which I have no idea how you use that. And these look brand new. I've never had a new old stock set like that. They have some little sleeves to fill up the push rod hole for the fuel pump. I always just weld it up. Get some more spark plugs. These are short style. It's interesting. Another cam gear, idler gears. A couple of little knickknacks. That was stuff I just didn't fit in the boxes. Oh, you got these special O-rings that go around the valve seals. And some more valve retainers.